Shika, Lalit and Alok. Welcome to Catch Up Talks on Social Catch Up. I'm so glad to be talking to you guys today. How are you guys doing? Can you tell me?
Good.
Lalit and I think, are doing fantastic because we've slept. I don't think Alok has.
No, I haven't at
Excellent.
all. I have just slept for half an hour in last 24 hours. So,
Oh my God.
but I'm very excited to do this session right now after a 24-hour shoot. So, of new series. So I'm not sleepy at all. I'm fully energetic.
Okay, thank God. Thanking all the gods above. Okay, so guys, Sony Live Pe Marathi original Shanti Kranti is coming soon. How are you guys feeling about that? Alok, would you like to begin?
Yeah, this concept is written, initiated. This concept is of Abhay Mahajan, and me and Abhay have been working together from a theatre group for almost 15 years now. So, and this story is about three friends traveling together. So me and Abhay have traveled together like that for a very long time. Like, not to Goa per se, but overall in life, we know almost everything about each other.
Okay.
And Lalit also, last 3-4 years, we have been very good friends and getting to know each other pretty well. And without talking and meeting Lalit before, we are already vibing very good. And so the story of three friends and working with Abhay and Lalit is very exciting. And also Shikha is here and many other actors who are part of this series, and it has been a wonderful experience, and I'm very excited to be part of this. And and you emphasizing on Marathi web series, this also has a great significance because I think this is maybe first Marathi web series with TVF and releasing on Sony, I
Sony
guess.
Live, yes.
So this also makes it very special.
Okay. Lalit, what about you? How's it been for you?
मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि ये तो मेरी पहली मराठी वेब सीरीज है। जैसे
wow.
सोनी लिव की, हाँ, तो मैं बहुत सालों से इंतजार कर रहा था कि कोई अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट आए जो मुझे अच्छी लगे और मैं वो कर पाऊँ। तो बहुत सालों बाद ऐसी कोई स्क्रिप्ट मुझे मिली और इतने सारे अच्छे एक्टर्स है। बहुत ज्यादातर एक्टर्स तो मतलब डायरेक्टर के साथ साथ सबका एक थिएटर बैकग्राउंड है। तो हम लोग सारे लोग प्रोसेस पे बिलीव करते हैं। शिखा से लेके आलोक से लेके अभय से लेके, अभय और आलोक ने तो बहुत साल एक साथ एक दूसरे के साथ बहुत ज्यादा थिएटर किया है। तो मैंने पहली बार इन लोगों के साथ में काम कर रहा हूँ, आलोक के साथ, अभय के साथ और सारंग के साथ, पौला के साथ। बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है। आप लोग तो अभी ट्रेलर देख ही रहे हो और बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, तो बस यार एक्साइटेड हूँ।
Great. Shika?
I don't know what to add. I excited as well for sure.
Yeah.
This is my like Lalit. This is my first ever Marathi web series. I don't speak it very well. I understand it completely. पण बोलायला इतकी छान येत नाही. So it's been exciting. I've done a lot of theater with Sarang, and I've known Sarang and Paula for a very long time, and I've been an ardent fan of all the wonderful content that they've been putting out since they started. Yeah. So when they called and they said, we're directing a Marathi web series, we want you to talk a lot in Marathi, I was just like, yes.
Monologues,
proper monologues. Fun. Yeah, monologues.
Wow.
And Shuddh Marathi. So it was really excited, and to work with people that I've, these three boys and everybody else in the web series, but these three boys are so fantastic, and I've followed their work. Lalit, yours too, by the way. I didn't tell you because I was being all cool and all, but I've followed their work so much, and I really, really enjoy them and their performances. So to get a chance to work with them and to get directed by Sarang and Paula was quite a dream come true. So it was very difficult to say no to that.
Yeah. And the trailer does look fantastic, like Alok mentioned, ये पहली Marathi web series है जो बड़े platform पे, with so much promotion also happening around it, and it getting so much love in the so-called mainstream space. So what significance does it hold for you? If you guys can elaborate on that. I know Alok already spoke about it a little, but if you all could add something to that. Shika, do you want to?
Well, for me, we did a screening, I think 2 days ago, and we watched all the episodes, and we met some of the cast that was there, and they said, the tone is so refreshing, it's so original. Now, for an audience member like me, who has been watching all sorts of content in all different languages, for me, it actually felt completely normal. I said, yeah, this is today's people, this is today's friendship. What is like, yeah, okay. But I think that's the thing. I think to see a story about friendship, about these young boys who are, it's a slice of life, it's their journeys with each other and themselves, and to watch that in Marathi, I think it was high time. So I'm really
I
glad that,
agree.
it has happened. Yeah.
High time it is. Lalit, what would you like to add? आपको क्या लगता है?
तो ये मराठी इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म ओपन होने जा रहा है। मराठी फिल्मों के लिए अच्छे अच्छे कंटेंट्स बन ही रहे थे, लेकिन अभी एक अगर नया प्लेटफॉर्म बन रहा है तो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे और वेब सीरीज भी आएंगी लोगों के लिए रीजनल में, मराठी के लिए। तो सबके लिए अच्छी बात है। तो मुझे लगता है कि सिर्फ हम लोगों के लिए ये मराठी वेब सीरीज वर्क होना जरूरी नहीं है, तो पूरे मराठी इंडस्ट्री के लिए ये कैसे वर्क होती है, लोग इसे कैसे रिसीव कर रहे हैं, इसका रिस्पॉन्स कैसे आ रहा है, ये बहुत जरूरी है सब लोगों के लिए। तो उस वजह से ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ। और हमें ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि हम लोग एक वेब सीरीज, मतलब एक फिल्म के तरह ही हम लोगों ने इसे शूट की है। जैसे आप देख ही रहे हो कि ट्रेलर में उसका स्केल उतना ही बड़ा है जिस तरह से फिल्में शूट होती है। तो क्या
Shika,
I also have to add that TVF and Bhadipa, they have been the front runners for bringing out content, relatable content, for a very long time.
True.
And the fact that we get to show a story on such a scale, as Lalit said, and it's shot beautifully, it's directed beautifully, it's written fantastically. Acting ka pata nahi, I'll be humble, these guys are great. But the way, I think it's a very refreshing take on something that is very, very much acquired, I guess.
Yeah, and I would like to add one point that firstly, Shikha has spoken wonderfully in Marathi. She has done a great job. So
looking forward to that.
She's being very modest, and it is not needed. You will watch it now. But I feel that we live in India, and in India we always have been, like, my favorite film is Kumbarangi Nights in recent times, which is a Malayali film. And yeah, I also suggested Shikha a few days back, and it's a Malayali film, and I don't see even, I feel very connected with that film. I don't see any language barrier in there. So I feel more than in which language the film or a web series is made, more important is what do you want to talk about, what is your content, and if that is strong and that is something you really want to communicate, then it actually doesn't matter. So Shikha has acted in this Marathi series. Also, Mrunmayee is part of this show, Mrunmayee Godbole. She did a Gujarati play, and she has done hundreds of shows in Gujarati with Paresh Rawal, and she speaks beautiful Gujarati now. And Abhay Mahajan is currently in Pondicherry, who has learned other languages also. Yeah, sorry?
French.
Yeah, he has learned French now, and he has also done few bits in Tamil and all of that. So we like being part of this Indian ethos. It is something we need to celebrate more and more. Like all these languages, these collaborations, and so also to add one last point, that if you talk in your own language, and it like something which is very personal and something which you can communicate in your own language automatically becomes universal. So for that to happen, if you asked me to talk in Marathi right now, I'll be 100% more I'll be express more
different
exact words. Yeah, and the emotion and words, I don't right now I'm grappling with words, but it won't happen when I speak in Marathi. And so also, it is more communicated, and it is I feel you feel more expressed in that language, and it is ultimately art which we are producing. So language doesn't matter, content matters. This is what
Right.
So your emotion is
क्या बोला है?
powerful.
क्या
And for जिनको मतलब मराठी नहीं आती, subtitles हैं और
जी.
सोनीदेव ये थोड़े दूसरे लैंग्वेजेस में ये डब भी कर रही हैं, so don't worry. ये
और मुझे लगता है कि
सबटाइटल्स नहीं मिलेंगे, पर शो के लिए मिलेंगे फॉर श्योर.
करेक्ट.
और दोस्ती के लिए सबटाइटल्स की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
अरे
क्या बात है?
Exactly.
Wow.
क्या बात?
Amazing. Alok, what you said is true, that producing art, producing content has become a lot more about bringing out good stories and what you have to speak than about, you know, how it is being spoken in what language, which is great. And I mean, I won't say like I have been watching a lot of Marathi content, but I do. मेरे घर में भी
Horrible.
No, but we do watch it at home. But it's not like it's my first. But when it comes on a platform like SonyLiv, when it has a bigger, you know, when it has actors like you also, there's a lot more audience who is coming in. So
Yeah.
how do you think this sort of digital evolution that is happening, that is helping content become the king in a bigger way and taking away the language barrier? I want to come to the show, but I want to just cover this quickly.
Yeah.
Alok, do you want to go first? Or
Yeah, I think
मराठीमध्ये सांग.
with YouTube, sorry, मराठीत
तू
सांग.
मराठीमध्ये सांग.
हो नक्की.
नाही, मराठीत मी बोलीनच, खूप बोललोय शो मध्ये, पण आता if I get really stuck, then I'll switch to Marathi. But till then, I'll
Even if
fight
you don't
with
get
this
stuck,
language.
switch to Marathi. Yeah, it's fun only.
Yeah. No, but I feel that YouTube has been a very democratic platform, so to say. Like now, everyone can create content and put there directly. Initially, like, so you don't have to wait for any middleman to your film to get released and any of that. So I feel it has helped many people, and it has empowered many people to directly release their work and open in the open market. So I feel it's great. And with this new platforms coming up, I feel these are new possibilities, and we can create really good content without being bogged down by who will watch it and all of that. So I think these are possibilities and which need to be explored fully. Yeah,
that's true. Shika, do you like to add something to that?
I think it's 2021, and with technology, our borders have really opened up, and we're watching. Like I meet a lot of people who's like, "तुमने ये film देखी क्या? अफगानिस्तान में किसी ने बनाई है?" I'm like, "नहीं देखी नहीं है, पर हाँ देख सकते हैं." So you know, I think it's 2021. It's about time we become inclusive and diverse, and just all the languages possible. And our country is like, from corner to corner, there's just so much fantastic art that has been created in the last few years. And yeah, dude, be it stage, be it in front of the camera, be it in films, be it in on OTT platforms, just more, give more, and watch more.
And we're loving it. As audiences, the more, the merrier, or better in this case. Lalit?
जैसे कि पहले भी बताया इन लोगों ने, वैसे ही एक पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि हम लोग नजदीक आ रहे हैं सारे लैंग्वेजेस. और मतलब जैसे कि जब पहले ओटीटी नहीं था, उसके पहले मुझे नहीं लगता कि ज्यादातर लोग साउथ इंडियन फिल्में या फिर अलग लैंग्वेजेस की फिल्में इतना देखा करते थे. लेकिन अभी बिकॉज ऑफ ओटीटी कि ये बहुत इजी हो गया है कि हम अलग अलग कंटेंट देख रहे हैं. सिर्फ कंटेंट ही नहीं, उसके साथ साथ उन लोगों का कल्चर, हमारा कल्चर, ये सारी चीजें हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं. तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. और बहुत सारा हमें यहाँ पे एक फ्रीडम भी होता है बिकॉज ऑफ ओटीटी, कि ऐसे नहीं हो कि आपकी फिल्म या आपका कंटेंट बड़ा ही होना चाहिए, आपका सब्जेक्ट छोटा भी हो, फिर भी आप उसके ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ बना के उसको आप रिलीज कर सकते हो. तो मुझे लगता है कि जो क्रिएटर्स हैं उनके लिए काफी अच्छी बात है कि वो अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स पे, जैसे कुंभलगी नाइट्स इन्होंने बताई, सुपर डिलक्स है, उसमें जो काफी अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स है. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स पे कभी फिल्में बन पाती अगर ओटीटी नहीं होता. तो ये अच्छी बात है. उसका अगर हम लोग सही तरह से इस्तेमाल करें तो काफी अच्छी बात है.
And subtitles is the best thing to happen to our content.
Yeah.
True. It's the best thing. I
So
completely
randomly, both the films which Lalit mentioned, in both films there is Fahad Fazil.
Yeah.
And I want to just say randomly here that you are a big fan, Fahad. If you happen to see this.
Me
Same
also,
all.
me also.
This is a
Huge
Fahad
fan.
fan club.
Yeah.
मैं विजय सेतुपति का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ यार.
Yeah.
So,
Amazing
ऐसे ही.
actor. So, अभी I wanted to ask you, कि since it's शांती क्रांती, एक कोणती गोष्ट जे तुमच्या मनाला शांती देते आणि एक जे एकदमच मनात क्रांती घेऊन येते. आलोक,
No, I'm not going first now.
Shika.
Let Lalit or Shika.
Lalit has never gone first.
Okay, Lalit. Let's go with
Okay,
Lalit.
काय? Okay, what was the question?
एक गोष्ट जी तुमच्या मनाला शांती देते आणि एक जी एकदम क्रांती क्रिएट करते. क्रिएट को क्या बोले? I want to say this right in Marathi. ना? क्रांती घेऊन येते.
मनात क्रांती घडवते.
घडवते. हा, ओके.
पण चालेल आमची वेब सिरीज मराठी आणि इंग्लिश
Mixed
दोघी
आहे.
आहे. Correct बोला क्या मैंने?
करेक्ट रे बाबा, एकदम करेक्ट है तू.
Okay, Lalit, can you tell us?
कोई भी अच्छा काम मैं अगर देखता हूँ किसी दूसरे का तो मन को शांति मिलती है, और कोई भी अच्छा काम किसी और का देखता हूँ तो मन में क्रांति भी होती कि मुझे भी करना है.
Okay.
अरे क्या बात है.
Nice,
Wow.
nice. Shika, can you go next now?
ओके. शांति किससे आती है? जब टाइम पे सोने को मिले बहुत शांति मिलती है, पर जब सोने के पहले तुम मतलब पिज्जा ऐसे खा लो तो पेट में बहुत क्रांति होती है. So I guess that I can't think of anything deep like Lalit.
Relatable. I would just like to add.
Exactly.
Alok.
I think theater, दोनों, शांति और क्रांति दोनों, और सब शांति क्रांति में सब थिएटर के एक्टर्स है. तो and I think everyone will relate to this answer, that we feel very peaceful when we are on stage or we are performing, and we also feel very rebellious और ऐसा क्रांतिकारी फील होता है नाटक कर.
यार तुम दोनों बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया है यार. Should I change my comedy answer?
ये तूने जो आंसर दिया वो एकदम ऐसा रियलिस्टिक खरा आंसर, ये थोड़ा ऐसा इंटू आंसर दे दे. थिएटर थोड़ा भावखाव आंसर.
अच्छा, guys, मुझे ये बात पूछनी थी कि since we've seen a lot of like friendship shows that are based on travel, correct? So if I'm someone who's watched a lot of these shows, what would you tell me is different about Shanti Kranti? You guys,
ये ट्रैवल के ऊपर है ही नहीं.
as in,
Yeah.
like road trips and friendships.
I just want to tell you that every story that has friends in it, I am mahir in that. I'm doing many. In all of them, there is some sort of travel, but travel is the catalyst to actually what's happening in the story.
Okay.
So that's about.
Okay.
But that's what. Now ask the boys. They are taking the
boys, what do you think?
ट्रैवल फिल्मों के बारे में जैसे आपने बताया कि बहुत सारे ट्रैवल फिल्में हैं हमारे यहाँ पे, कि दोस्त निकलते हैं और कहीं पे जाते हैं और उनके प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. तो उसी पे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं हम लोग कि क्या जरूरी है सच में ट्रैवल करना.
Nice.
अगर किसी चीज के बारे में आपको प्रॉब्लम हो, या आपको लग रहा है कि आप कहीं पे अटक गए हो, तो क्या जरूरी है आपको ट्रैवल करना? क्या एक जगह पे बैठ के शांति से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता? ऐसा हम लोग क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं. उसके ऊपर क्या उसके आंसर्स है, क्या नहीं है, उसके लिए तो आपको ये वेब सीरीज देखनी पड़ेगी.
Very well put. Alok?
No, I'm still thinking, but I think yeah, all the other I don't know yaar, matlab you are asking that what is different in Shanti Kranti compared to other travel films, right?
I
like there are many things.
Huh.
I think the basic concept is only very different. Like you don't see actual travel in there. Like they, if I talk about it, then I'll just reveal the whole thing.
I'm not trying to like.
I'll tell you what. So the thing is that yes, it's in the trailer you will have seen that these boys are trying to go to Goa.
Yeah.
And they're trying to travel to a place where they're going to find their Shanti in whatever form, be it in their mind or in a bikini, whichever. But what is happening is that it's their own personal stories that are taking a trip. That is what is taking the journey.
ये
I
आप
made
सब
up
जो
for
बातों
my
बातों में
pizza and my sleeping unstopped.
ना बेटा, all three of you बातों बातों में full philosophical you are going, एकदम यहाँ से यहाँ पे, amazing.
वो गलत ट्रेन आपको कभी कभी सही स्टेशन पे पहुंचा देती है ना,
वाह वाह.
वैसे।
And this is called Shantit Kranti.
It's the Shanti Kranti Express, I think.
I'll teach you one Marathi line.
Okay.
That शिखा खूप सुंदर मराठी बोलली आहे.
Okay. ये तो
शांतीत क्रांती मध्ये.
शांतीत क्रांती मध्ये शिखा खूप छान मराठी बोलली.
Okay.
अरे you're not repeating only this
Okay,
line.
one second. शांतीत क्रांती मध्ये शिखा खूप काय छान मराठी बोलले.
छान, हा छान.
खूप छान मराठी बोलले.
13 ऑगस्टला प्लीज शांतीत क्रांती बघा.
क्या 13 ऑगस्टला सोनी लिव्हवर येणार आहे शांतीत क्रांती, आणि त्याच्यात तुम्हाला बघायला भेटणार आहेत हे छान ऍक्टर्स. तर प्लीज ट्यून इन, लॉग इन करा आणि बघा.
13 ऑगस्ट विथ स्ट इन इट. स्ट
ऑगस्ट
स्पेशल मराठी वाला स्ट.
ऑगस्ट.
ऑगस्ट.
क्या बात है. वेल डन प्रियंका, वेल डन.
Yay! Thank you so much, guys. This was so much fun.
13 ऑगस्ट पासून बघा,
पासून बघा.
नाहीतर ते एकाच दिवशी सगळे बघतील तर ते हे होईल,
जॅम.
जॅम होईल.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. And all the
Thank
best.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.